So our project is the Auto Movie Archiver. The initial inspiration came from over Christmas break. My dad wanted to convert all his DVDs to a digital form. There was no automatic way to accomplish this without writing lots of different scripts. So we wanted to create a piece of software that required zero user input and that would convert a DVD to a readable digital format without any user input.
So our initial plan was to create a cross-platform application that ran on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. And so we decided to go with the programming language Python that was cross-platform. However, we ran into some difficulties with creating a user interface. And so we discovered Iron Python, which is basically C# in Python, so that we could create a Windows notification icon in the taskbar. And that caused some problems because it wasn't quite C#, so it didn't have the full power of that with Windows. So we eventually abandoned Iron Python and switched over to C# completely.
As stated before, we switched to Iron Python, which we realized quickly is C# disguised as Python. So the logical option was to convert the whole thing to C#, which we ended up doing, and got a finished product in the end. Our finished product was so boring, being a background application, that our product video ended up having to use guns in order to make it more exciting, which ended up being cool in the end. But we ended up with a finished product that works, is able to rip movies easily, so anybody can stick something in the drive, rip their library 2 digits.